Hello, it's day 7 and today we are going to be drawing a ladybug. So first off, let's start with the cross line. It's going to be a diagonal cross line, the blue cross that we always draw. And then we're going to draw a circle in the middle of it, like so. And then we're gonna trace it with a sketch line around the circle. That's gonna be the head of the ladybug, and then we're gonna make a circle behind it. That's gonna be the shell of the ladybug. So like you cut 2/3 across the circle and then make an oblong, and that's gonna be the shell, the back of the ladybug. So now it's looking more like a ladybug. I'm going to erase the red lines that I've drawn. And now let's start with the wings. So this ladybug is kind of like turning its face on the side. So let's draw the wings. Those are the wings. And then we're going to draw the little limbs. So there's going to be 3 on each side. And then we're gonna draw the antenna and then the face, so it's like facing, like looking on the side. So just keep it in the middle of the line, in the middle of the cross I mean. So it's a smiley face, and then we're gonna draw the spots on the back of the ladybug. So there's 3 spots on each side. And then you're gonna see that it's the shading that's gonna make this drawing that to make sense. Let's trace and outline the drawing, the sketch I mean. So use your thicker pen and then sketch all the lines, trace all the lines that you've sketched. And then remove the background, the sketch that we've made. And now we're going to proceed to the coloring. So I'm going to be using a light gray for the face, for the back, and for the limbs, and then a darker gray for the spots of the ladybug. And then the back would be a dark red. So just color it like how you're seeing right now. So always start with the edges when you color, and then we're gonna shade it. So we're gonna use a lighter darker gray, not as dark as the spots, but a little dark gray to shade the face, under the wings, and then at the side of the wings, and then the lower part of the limbs. And then we're gonna color the antenna as well. So just copy what I'm doing right now, and I'm erasing some spots here, correcting some spots that I thought need correction. So as you can see, I'm using a dark red for the side of the wings of the ladybug. You could also use a gray for that. And then a little pink on the mouth. And then I'm coloring the antenna, the tiny circles, red as well. So that would be our completed drawing for the day. So day 7 of 365 complete. I hope you enjoy that. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.